Good morning, guys. Myself, DK Group, founder and director, Sri Ram Career Classes and Library. Many guys have been asking me a single questions for many years. Sir, what are the best career options in front of us which can give us in short span of time? My present session, this session is dedicated to those students only who want success in short period, and this session will be a career guide, will prove career guide for those students. Particularly, this session is dedicated to students whose nature is of specialist type, not a generalist type students. Students who know everything, means physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, history, economics, political science, sociology, geography, and current affairs, all general knowledge subjects he knows, but he doesn't know anything in depth, but only knows in general way. That type of students or that type of guys are known as generalist type of guys. But the government exam, which requires not a generalist type of, since most of the government exams syllabus are designed for generalist student, but my present session, this video is for those students who are specialist in their character, who don't want to study all the subjects but want to study only single subject, particularly who are math lover students, who loved mathematics in their high school, who were toppers of high school, whose marks were highest in mathematics. For example, a student who got 80% marks in his high school, aggregate marks was 80%, but his mathematics score was more than 95. For those type of students who love only single subjects, teaching in depth knowledge of those subject, for those type of students, this video is dedicated. This is not a seminar, but this is a session dedicated to those type of students who love to study mathematics and who want to secure their government job position in shortest span of time. For those students, this session will prove a lifeline. Guys, this exam is SSC CGL. I think all of you know, at least heard about this exam, SSC CGL. But I want to throw a lot of light on this exam, how to prepare this exam, what are the obstacles which will come in during preparation this exam. But guys, this is really a lovely exam, particularly for those students who are mathematics lovers, not anything else required in this exam. Although syllabus has other topics also, for example, general knowledge will be also asked, English will also be asked, but English doesn't create any obstacle in selection process of CGL, combined graduate level exam. First of all, I want to elaborate some points. SSC is a commission like Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC, which conducts civil services examination for highest post in the nation. In the same way, SSC recruits B and C grade officers rank jobs in highest institutes like government ministries, departments, and CBI, etc., where you will be selected as auditor, inspector, and many other posts, tax inspector and excise inspectors, bureau chiefs, and many posts are filled through this exam, that is called combined graduate level exams, conducted by Staff Selection Commission. Really guys, this exam is only exam which is dedicated to specialist students who love mathematics. Otherwise, most of the government exams are dedicated to students of generalist character, not a specialist character. So here is a hope for students who are specialist in nature and loved mathematics. There is no requirement that you are mathematics student in your intermediate or graduation. Only if you were mathematics student of till 10th class, and after that you left mathematics, doesn't matter. We are here to train you for this exam in complete way. 100% you will be selected just only one requirement for me as to make you a SSC CGL post holder is only that your maths score was highest. Even doesn't matter your math score was highest in high school. If you were a 50% achiever in high school, then if your math marks were 60, even then I guarantee that you will be selected in CGL. Most beautiful quality of CGL is like other highest level exams like civil services exam. Every years this vacancy comes every years like those exams. SSC vacancy comes every year in the range of 10,000, although this year's vacancy is highest in near past, that is 20,000 recruitments came this year for SSC various posts. So this exam is really be oxygen for those students, lifeline for those students who are specialists in mathematics. Guys, not wasting very much time because everyone's time is very important. So come on the pattern of the exam. CGL is an exam which can be attempted by candidates who have completed their 18 years of age, and their age limit will go from 27 years to 33 years according to their reservation category and according to the post they are opting in this exam. Its syllabus is just before syllabus we should understand exam pattern. This exam is conducted in 3 tiers: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. First tier is of screening type, but listen carefully, this screening is not like civil services exam screening where screening test is only as a screening test. It has no meaning in mains, but in this exam your aggregate marks to make your merit, tier 1 and tier 2 marks are taken in combined. So don't think that tier 1 is a preliminary or only a test which make you eligible for tier 2. Both tiers are equally important in merit making. So never think that tier 1 is just a preliminary exam. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, all the marks are combined and final merit list will be made like that. First tier has 4 papers or 4 sections. We can say 4 sections: mathematics, reasoning, general knowledge and English. Guys, a mathematics student who is brilliant in mathematics can't be a dull student in reasoning. So mathematics and reasoning we can say single subject. So 50% weightage of tier 1 is on mathematics only, and 25% on English, 25% on general knowledge. General knowledge, guys, general knowledge is not a very high level, not a very low level. General knowledge students, I can say that just follow a English newspaper. It will improve these two sections simultaneously. If you are following reading a newspaper like the Hindu, your English will improve tremendously, and you will, even without reading any grammar book, you will very easily score more than 20 questions in your SSC CGL tier 1 just by practicing some papers for errors, understanding errors and various types of questions are asked in CGL. And general knowledge is, I am saying you that if you are giving only small time just seeing televisions, news and everything, you will not find below 15 marks. And even if you are students of generalist type, even then it is not possible to go above 22. So do not waste your most precious time at this subject, general knowledge, and because in tier 2 there is no scope for this paper. Tier 2 is only divided into 2 sections, mathematical section and English section. Both are equally important, and their tier 2's weightage is double of tier 1 weightage. That is, if 200 marks is dedicated for tier 1, then 400 marks are dedicated for tier 2. In this way, total marks of tier 1 and tier 2 are 100. After completing both two tiers. These two tiers you will be a merit is declared, and after merit you will be asked for interview or personality test in many ways for tier 3, and after completing 3 tiers a final merit is made, and according to the merit you will be a government job holders in government's highest office, secretaries, department and various department secretariat, central government job. Guys, really, I am saying you, if you were maths enthusiast, you loved mathematics, then I guaranteed you that a government job is waiting for you. Just start preparing for this exam today. See the syllabus, and for any type of guidance you can contact us. We are very happy to help you in any way for this exam. Just subscribe our YouTube channel Sri Ram Career Classes and Library YouTube channel @SRCCL, and I hope this video will prove very useful for students who loved mathematics and who don't know what career options we should opt after completing our high school, intermediate or graduation. Although this exam is designed or minimum qualification requirement for this exam is graduation, but certainly graduation, any extreme graduation, even BTech, MTech or any BTech or BA, doesn't matter. Just matter is your love in mathematics. Guys, just start from today to preparing for this exam, and I guarantee you will secure best jobs like auditor and inspector, examiner. Many posts are waiting for you in very short span of time. Even if you have completed this year your graduation, then within 1 year you will secure your position in government secretary, secretariat post, departments, and many more other departments which you can see in exam notice. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video if you like us and support us. We will provide regular videos on SSC and classes for mathematics, reasoning, English, and everything we are going to supply you. We will help you in every way if you are ready to become a government job holder in government offices. Thank you.